okay?
Don't make people cry. Can I get an amen?
I love it.
I'm like, what am I doing? Thank you very much. Let me get an amen. It's so appropriate. It's Thanksgiving. I want to thank all the people in this room and some of the people that are not here for being there with me through everything. And now, I'm a cancer survivor. Can I get an amen? Okay. Your turn.
Okay, one more.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, you'll have to excuse me. I've had 10 minutes to prepare. For those of you that don't know, the Medal of Honor is the highest military decoration that may be awarded by the United States government. It is presented by the President of the United States in the name of Congress and is conferred only upon members of the United States Armed Forces who distinguish themselves through conspicuous gallantry and I don't even know what that word is, at the risk of life above and beyond the call of duty. So, we don't have any military people in it. We don't have Congress. We do have somebody who was mistaken for the President of the United States, which was me, by the way. So, on behalf of the Congress that we don't have, and the President that we don't have, and the military personnel that we don't have,
Oh my God, what do we have? Nothing.
and I gotta tell you,